Very good, my YouTube people. Today we will be drawing Megumi of the Soul, Jujutsu Kaisen, at the request of this English channel subscriber. So today we are going to be drawing Megumi step by step in the easiest way possible. So let's go with that. We start by drawing a circle. We are going to divide this circle with this line that will tell us where the character will be looking. In this case, the character will be approximately 3-4, and we make this horizontal line to know where we are going to fit what the eyes are. Pay attention to these parts that are really important. Now this lineup, this is going to be the eye line later. This is all going to make sense, and it's going to have a very impact. So do these guidelines correctly. Here we are going to give shape to what the face is. By the way, some anime objects are hidden in this video. If you can find them, comment below in the comments box. And apart from all that, if you want to send me your drawings, you can do so on my Facebook page, which is this one that's appearing up here. There you can chat with me, talk to me, send me your drawings, and I will be giving you advice once all this is said. We continue. We are going to do the subdivisions of the eyes. This part is important. That distance is the same as it is in the center, and this distance from the left eye is slightly larger, so pay attention to those details. Okay, now let's start detailing our anime characters. Megumi's hair will grow out of this line that we draw, so pay attention. And we continue with this. You continue to see. For the hair, we are going to use the same shape
of the circle, and let's draw those.
Locks, as well as coming out randomly.
And we're going to connect this.
It's practically the entire drawing.
And then it would be missing detail.
And without further ado, God bless you. And until the next video, bye-bye.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.